packing for Cousin's canoe trip.
And hot yoga, except the only hot part of it is me.
Oh, let's go. And some of those lakes are unnamed.
You are not helpful.
Okay.
Why?
The internet.
Oh, and can you bring me my headlamp from the piano bench?
Okay.
I like to roll with the gangsters.
Sure. Sauce it then. Whatever.
Whatever, y'all.
I don't know why.
Oh, shizzle my nizzle.
Gangsters.
Where? I don't know what I'm doing. What?
My Uber account was suspended.
Oh, dang it. That's too bad. I know you really enjoy taking Ubers out in Emo. Here, if you want it, come and get it. Nah.
Any way you want it, that's the way you need it.
And Tarp, gangster.
Okay, and this is rope a dope. Yo, I'm running through
These
these
halls
halls like rain. Oh, I got that down.
Oh, what the sus?
That's the clue. Okay. First we go in here. Banana and roasted almond pack.
I don't think Fletcher's seen this yet. Peanut butter. This is all porridge. Some cereals. We're probably not gonna bring cereals. Fletcher. All these. That's all oatmeal.
Because we got lots. So.
Yeah, we got lots.
Fletcher has the mumps.
No, I got a
Bee sting
bee
or
sting
something.
or
I was
something.
thinking, no way.
Yo,
My
got.
porridge comes with a display rack.
Let's go.
This is even better. How do we make that?
Should we bring the display rack?
No, let's just set it up.
Can you imagine every morning we're like, alright, let's select.
Okay, here. Oh, we should get one of those wild rice things.
Oh. Top with roasted peanuts, which we don't have, lime juice, which we don't have, and sriracha powder, which we don't have. This is how you make the best seller even better. Notre délice version d'un plan national taille. Notre chef combine de nul et riz recouvert d'arachide grillés. I'd love to stay unshot, but I'm super freaking fat.
Do you want to just take like one potato or something so we can do fries once or something?
Let's
One
do
potato is not going to give you a lot of fries.
2 potatoes.
3 potatoes.
4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes, 1. We have a drink, squirters! Yes! I'd say, because it's only one a day, so we only have to have one a day
keeps
twice.
the children gay. That was Martin Luther King.
Tim, be nice. Do we have... Stop it. Stop. Stop it! Thanks. Ah, kill me. Ow!
You told me to kill you.
That actually hurt. This thing's solid.
Wow, that is hunk.
I know!
I would have heard of it. I threw at somebody really hard.
Yes!
Good thing I did.
Die! Update. I brought Fletcher to his house. He's getting chainsaw stuff. We also went shopping and got lots of good food, including wild rice soup and spits. Also, expired Cheez-Its. Nice. Tim is still here. We're getting cooking stuff and fishing stuff and everything stuff. Nice.
Turkey soap. Like those colors, maybe?
So we're just finishing up our fishing stuff. That's the Slayer's kit. That's going to be in Tim's canoe, and then obviously Fletcher and I are going to be in our own, so that's ours. And we're looking excited to crank out the fish.